the 8th week of learning artificial intelligence. In this week, we will talk about neural networks. So let's get started and see what did I learn in this week. First of all, we started with data files from scikit-learn, data cleaning, matrix model, feature selection, data scaling, data split, linear regression, logistic regression, neural network, SVR, SVC, key means, PCA, decision tree, key nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, LDA, QDA, hierarchical clusters, DBScan, introduction to neural networks, Keras library. Example on neural network. Introduction to DNN, convolutional neural network, and example on CNN. This week sounds hard, but it's okay. You will learn how to make a neural network with Python, and this time will be a little bit different between Arabic course and English course. You will see what I mean. This is the playlist I did watch in Arabic. You can follow it, it's super easy and useful. And for English you have this video. But be careful, what I meant is the English one will be the same for the 9th week as well. That's it, but it's okay. That means you have 2 weeks to watch this video, or you can watch it twice, or you can search for another one. It's okay, you just have to study it well. That's it for this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.